How to use a hoe saw at the corner of a board. 2. How to determine a 45-degree angle using only a string. 3. And this is how to determine a 90-degree angle. 4. The secret to driving screws without splitting wood. No pre-drilling needed. 5. Tip for fixing a stripped screw hole. 6. A simple way to use a square ruler. 7. How to mark for a neat wood joint. 8. Easy and quick way to attach a spring. 9. Take the sweetest core of the watermelon. 10. A simple way to hide screws in wood. 11. Tip for using screws in drywall the right way. 12. The secret to using plastic anchors that few people know. 13. A master revealed a quick way to cut drywall. 14. Flexible PVC pipe connection hack anyone can do. 15. A simple and secure way to connect water pipes. 16. Another great way to connect water pipes. 17. Safe electrical wire connector tip. 18. An electrical wire connection tip that will truly surprise you. 19. Tip for twisting single core electrical wire to withstand pulling force. 20. This is a simple way to make a wire. Stripping tool. 21. Tip for using a drill to remove rust in hard-to-reach areas. 22. Tip for making a simple tool to replace angle grinder blades.